in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I'll be trying Pakistani snacks for the first time, so make sure to subscribe to be part of Queenash family and give this video a big old thumbs up. Now let's get on to it. So first snack we got over here is this super biscuit egg and milk cookies. So this looks super good and super good. Wow, you get that? Let me try this out. Oops, sorry. So that's how it looks. Let's test it out. Oh, okay. I love it. That is so good. It is milky and creamy. I mean, it kind of makes sense. It says egg and milk cookie. I like it. It is so nice and sweetened, but not over sweetened. Oh my gosh, I like this one. You can just literally snack this all out. I mean, I don't know how many pieces are in there, but this is really good. Well, I will give it this one a nice 6 out of 10. It is really, really good. I absolutely loved it. We'll be ordering this many more because I literally love it. It is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is such a good one. Like, if there is Oreo in this, like, I would rather prefer this or Oreo. It's like that good, if you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm comparing it to Oreo. Like, you guys probably know it's that good. So here we got another sweet. It's a sweet, not a biscuit. So here we have Multani Halawa. It is since 1948. I mean, it's pretty old. Wow. So here it is. The packaging is super simple. I mean, everything is literally in a package. I opened one and here I have this sweet. It's literally packed and there are so many, I believe 6 in it if I'm not wrong, and each of them is wrapped in a separate plastic, which is so freaking good. I mean, like, it is such a clean way to give it to someone if someone wants to eat it. Like, now let's open this and test it out. I mean, it is kind of huge, so I need a knife to cut it out because I don't want to, you know, bite into it. I don't know how it's gonna be, so let me just go grab a knife. So here it is. It got some gooiness caramel kind of thing going on. Let me just test it out. I got, oh my gosh, it's good. I love it. The texture is so nice, but there is like cardamom in it. The cardamom is strong though. I mean, if it did not have too much cardamom in it, I would love it because it's kind of like Omani Halwa, but like it has too much cardamom in it. So I would probably give this one a 4 out of 10. Here we have a ramen. So this is a Pakistani brand ramen and it is a chatpata quinoa. So let's try this out. This looks so good already. I mean, my mouth is watering because I just love ramen noodle. Instant noodle is my favorite thing. So yeah, it is spicy though. I mean, there is green chili, red chili on it, and spring onions. So let's make this and test it out how it is. So let's go to the kitchen. So the food just got here. Here it is. It's ready. So let's just dig in. Oh my gosh. No joke, the smell was amazing and my mouth is literally watering. If you can tell already, my mouth is watering. It's lunchtime and I haven't had anything and I can already tell I'm gonna love it because, oh my gosh. Okay, let's just dig in. Let it cool down for a second. I don't want to slurp. That'd be not a fun one. And also I can see the steam coming out. As you guys can see, the steam is coming out. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is so freaking savory. I love it. Yum. Let me take another bite. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. Wow. I'm so glad I got so many more. Like, I got a 6-packet of these. This is so freaking good. Like, this is, I mean, the amount is small. It is a snack. It's not for a meal, but like, it is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, this is so tasty. Yep, I love it. So I would give this one a full on 8 out of 10 because this is so freaking good, you guys. If you like anything sour and it's not spicy, the spice I would not say, but yes, you can feel other spices. You would not say it's like fully spicy. You can taste the spices in it. Like, there are some garam masala and stuff, but it's not so heavy that it will hit your, you know, throat and taste buds. But it's like even amount. If you're gonna have it, you would not regret it. I think this is my top favorite. After Super, if I liked anything more, this is the one. I love this. This is so good. I wish you guys could taste it. It is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, you guys cannot. Here we have this biscuit. It is like the original zebra biscuit. So yeah, there is this cumin in it. Now let's see if I like it or not. I mean, I do not like cumin, so I was obviously not gonna like this, but let's go. So it's literally the same. All of them are round. Let's give it a shot. It's good, but obviously would not eat it because of the cumin, but it's good. Probably not my favorite, but if anyone likes cumin within the biscuit, they will probably like it because it's not that bad. The biscuit itself is really good. The taste is so good, but if the thing was not so many in it, I would like it. But yeah, it's good in a tea, you know, good one. I mean, 3 out of 10. Here we have another biscuit. It is peanut pistachio biscuit, and yeah, there is peanut and pistachio in it. Let's go. So it's basically the same as the zebra biscuit because these both are the same brand. So this makes sense. So yeah, that's how it looks. There is peanut and pistachio in it. And let's take a bite. I literally took a bite into the pistachio. It's good. I mean, it's good. It's not a bad one. The biscuit itself is really good, and there's plenty peanut and pistachio in it. So yay for those who like peanut and pistachio together. The packaging is so cute though, green, literally same as the flag. So that's cute. I mean, this one goes 4 out of 10. Better than the zero one, no joke. This one's better than the zero one, a lot more better than zero one. Here we have another halwa. This one is another sweet. This is so freaking cute packaging. I mean, it's so elegant and cute. The design and everything, I love it. I mean, this is what I'm gonna be getting now. So, oh wow, it's like perfectly sealed. It's like so nice and tightly sealed, which is so freaking good. I mean, I need a scissor to cut it off, but I don't know why this looks like a caramel candy. If you know what I'm talking about. This looks so good. I kind of want to try it so badly, so I'm gonna go and grab a scissor and come back. So I'm back, and let's go cut this out. Oh wow, oh wow, wow. Okay, so again, they are, each and every one of them is wrapped separately in a wrapping. Whoa, it is oily. Dude, this is so freaking huge. You guys can see that. Do you see how huge it is? Like, it's actually huge. And it's quite oily. You guys can see my hand. And it's wrapped in a separate wrapping paper. Go. Oh yeah, I love this one. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking good, you guys. It is so good. Oh my gosh, it is creamy, milky. The sugar, I haven't even reached over here, the almond, but it's still so good. I can't. Literally, my mouth is watering. I need to take another bite. I told you guys, I knew it's gonna be good, not just because of packaging, but the caramel, it's like a caramel candy, but even better. So imagine it's that good. After that chatpata noodle, this is the one. This is the one. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I wish I had like 2 of these. So this one's probably getting a 10 out of 10 because this is that good. I mean, it is only tiny amount and it's gonna be bomb. You're gonna love it. It is just amazing. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it, and this one gets a full-on 10 out of 10. And here we got another biscuit. It is candy biscuit and caramelized biscuit. This is quite like thin and tiny rather than the rest of the ones. Good, but there is cinnamon in it. The cinnamon flavor is strong, but I like it. It is a super heavy biscuit though. I mean, it is a strong feeling, like flavor is strong, but it's good. I like it. I mean, it's not super level good, but probably peanut level good. So this one's gonna get a 4 out of 10. Yeah, 4 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this channel to be part of Queenash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful